Right, so hey guys, welcome back. And today, well, I haven't told you this at all, but I actually have a quad bike. Yeah, big surprise. Yeah, I've had it for almost a year actually now. It's been really good. It just came back from the shop. And yeah, I'm just going to take it for a drive. And also, if you didn't know, you don't know at all actually, my bike has just come back as well. Got a new wheel, it's got a new tyre, and it had a silver service, had a good old look down. But yeah, big up the Bicycle Chain in Taunton. Really nice people, really nice place, amazing, I do recommend. Enough talking, let's get the quad started. Right, you don't need four-wheel drive. It's, put the choke on, why not? Park and brake off. I know how to drive this thing, I'm just talking through it, because like, you know, that's how I am. There you go, what beast? Oh, no, never mind. Back. Right, so right now, quad, as you can see that, it's flashing on empty. So we're gonna go down there, we're gonna get some fuel. Put it in high, drive on down. So really annoyingly, put the little gates up there where the trailer is, so you can't actually go through there. So I'm just gonna have to park here and go get the can. Turn it off. Right, let's get the petrol. The liquids. Hopefully this is petrol. Must be. Definitely is. Oh, what a beauty. Right, it's probably going to take some time. It's taking ages. Oh, that's going on my trouser, that's lovely. Right, that's covered in petrol now. Oh, okay, I've actually, I got that belly filled it up, but okay. It's quite a lot of fuel. Right, we'll turn it on. Oh, that's horn. Park and brake off. Into high. And off we go. Open the gate. You're right, miss. You're right, Claude. You're right. Jesus Christ, this thing's a beast and loud. The loudy little thing. Pretty big one actually. Right, if you can hear me, you're probably wondering, Max, what type of quad is it? How much power has it got? Well, it's a TGB Blade 2014 with 425 cc's. Woohoo! As you can see, she has power. Right, let's go through here. Right, it's a bit of a hill climb here. This is probably the steepest part of our land. So we're going to go back. This little hump here. We're going to pelt it, but not pelt it too hard. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Right, so that wasn't too much power. I'd say that was about half to 3/4 of the throttle here down, and I'm only in rear-wheel drive, so remember the acceleration will not be as good. Look at the drift. across with that digger, and it was extremely fun. Right, this is a bit of a tight squeeze. Oh, that's going to hit the plastic. Oh, we're chilling. Right, let's go. Jesus Christ. Everyone's above. I really hope this GoPro footage is good, because, you know, I get some crappy thumbnails out of that. Right, you ready for this? I'm going to tank it. 3, 2, 1. Tank it! Suspension is amazing. So we actually do have a little quad. And that little quad is 150cc. It's a, I don't want to be racist or anything, but it's kind of like a Chinese quad. And yeah, that's an absolute brute. It's still alive. I've had it for like 3-4 years. It's been an absolute tank. That's what properly got me into quad biking, or just getting a quad. Because I actually used to have like a little 50cc little red quad, we call it Little Red. Lovely little machine. Then I got the big, then I got the 150cc, and I got this bad boy. I forgot what I called it. I know I called the quad before as Betsy. Betsy with the tank. Let's just go. Oh, what was that? Right, so, I really hope you can hear me. Sadly, we haven't got any mudding spots on our land. Really wish we could. It's not really the kind of area for mudding, because it's mainly trees and roots, so it's a bit annoying. But I would love to create a little mud pit someday, because I love mudding, and there was tons of mud in my old house, and this thing would shred. So yeah. Right, so thankfully, my little brother just got all the horses to go back in that little field, just running off there. And yeah, I think I've got a better camera angle, hopefully. It certainly looks a lot better. And yeah, so we're in the field, we're in the big field now. Let's go. Jesus H. Christ. Just hit a branch. Right, it gets very bumpy here. I'm gonna watch it. Oh, 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 oh. Jesus Christ. Oh, massive thorn. Look at the tracks it's made. Oh, that is bumpy. They drop. Oh. Right. Oh, I'm gonna get a beautiful little thumbnail here. Hold on. Hold your horses. Lovely shot. Let's get one from a bit farther back now. New. Right, as you can see, I'm not really getting bored, but there's not really much else to do. Really wish I could do a few jobs, but sadly there's not. My dad's shopping right now, so can't really go asking for jobs. So yeah, I'll end it in a bit. Just do a little bit more driving. Hold on. That is speed and power, my goodness. Speed and power! That's fun. My God, that's fun. Anyway, so before I'm about to finish this video, I do quite enjoy, and I hope you guys do enjoy, these little random videos of me doing random stuff like chores, driving my quad bike, and run my BMX in the rain. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy these videos. And yeah, I've ridden around the field for a solid 5 minutes, gone in the forest for a solid 10 minutes. It's pretty banging video, you know, decent content. Hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Peace out, and see you later.